What if a robot didn't need step-by-step training anymore? What if you could just say what you want, it's in the seat, and it figures out how to do it on its own? Because that's not a future idea anymore. That's Neo. And what it's doing right now is a turning point for robotics. Neo doesn't learn the old way. No endless task-specific training. No carefully scripted movements. Instead, it learns the way humans do by watching the world. Literally. Neo has been trained on massive amounts of video from the internet. Videos of people interacting with objects, moving through spaces, opening things, picking things up, messing things up. Everyday human life. Then that knowledge gets grounded in the real world. Real physics, real weight, real balance inside a humanoid body. So when you give Neo a voice or text command, it doesn't search for a pre-written rule. It imagines the task first. Before it moves, Neo visualizes the future. It plays out a short movie in its head. If I do this, then this happens, then I finish here. That's the moment everything changes. Because now the robot isn't reacting, it's thinking ahead. Say you ask Neo to put an orange into a lunchbox. Sounds simple, right? But here's the twist. Neo has never seen that orange or that lunchbox. It doesn't matter. It looks at the scene, imagines how a human would do it, predicts the outcome, and then turns that imagined future into real movement. And it doesn't stop there. Neo can handle tasks it's never been trained for, objects it's never touched, environments that change mid-task, lighting shifts, clutter appears, something moves out of place. Traditional robots fall apart in those moments. Neo adapts because it's relying on general human knowledge, not fragile rules. This is where things get almost uncomfortable because Neo is starting to generate its own experience. Every action it performs becomes new data. That data feeds back into its learning, which means the robot improves by doing. Over and over again, a self-reinforcing loop, a learning flywheel. No one is manually teaching every skill anymore. The robot is teaching itself. And that's why this isn't just another robot update. This is a shift in how intelligence shows up in machines. We're moving from robots that wait for instructions to robots that understand intent. From robots that repeat to robots that reason. There's still work to be done. Tasks need to last longer. Success rates need to improve. But the direction is crystal clear. This is the first real step toward robots that grow smarter just by existing in the world. So yeah, Neo learning from the internet and acting in real life? That's not a headline. That's the moment robotics quietly crossed a line. And once you see it, you can't unsee where this is going.